Hi, today let me show you the easy and fun cutie spooky Halloween amigurumi pattern collection. If you love Halloween and love amigurumi, this collection is for you. I appreciate if you can subscribe and turn on the bell to get updates on my videos. The collection contains 30 plus amigurumi patterns for Halloween that's designed from 31 world-class talented amigurumi designer that I wrote up here in the collection. You can find both premium pattern or free pattern under the web version on their blog. The link in the description. In this roundup, you can find a lot of famous names as Blue Rabbit Toys, Nata, Poppy Crochet, Not Bad Crochet, as well as the very young name new to amigurumi world that you can find their profiles on my blog. And if you love them, please give the follows or subscribe for their newsletter. It's really appreciated. Now enjoy the collection and comment below the most favorite character in this collection. I would love to hear from you.